Welcome to all. So let us consider another example here. See here the question is, let f from R to R be defined as f of x equals x to the power of 4. Choose the correct answer. F is 1 1 onto, f is many 1 onto, f is 1 1 but not onto, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So basically we have to check whether it is 1 1 or onto. Okay, this is considered as 2 marks problem. Okay, let us work out the solution here. After working out the solution, take the answer. So you write the question in your notebook and try to do it on your own. So let us see what happens, whether it is 1 1 or onto. Let us check. Given function is, see, f of x is equal to x to the power 4. Okay, let us check for 1 1. So f of x is equal to x to the power of 4. It is given. So that is here let us consider the function here. F of x is equal to x to the power of 4. So I am checking for injectivity or 1 1. So for 1 1 function, what we will do, so we go on giving the values here. Say first I will give f of 1, then I will give x is equal to say 2, then I will give f of say minus 1. So what happens when I give 1 here? 1 to the power of 4, that is 1. So 2 to the power of 4, that is 16. Then f of minus 1. See here, minus 1 whole to the power of 4, that is still 1. See here, distinct elements have same image. Observe here, you can take any elements. F of 1 is equal to 1 and f of minus 1 is equal to, that is also 1 here. So distinct elements have distinct elements. See here, 1 and minus 1. Distinct elements have same image. So we can write that here. So you know this, distinct elements have same image. So what is our conclusion here? Therefore f is not 1 1. So f is not injective, or if it is not 1 1, because distinct elements have same image, therefore it is not 1 1. So let us check for onto here. See, for onto function, we have to be very careful here. See, given function is f of x is equal to x to the power 4. So this was given. So onto function, definition of onto function says codomain is equal to range. See, let us find the range here, range of this function here. See, f of x is equal to x to the power of 4. So what will be its range here? See, if I give 0, see, f of 0, you start from 0, 0 to the power of 4, that will be 0. Then we have seen f of 1 is equal to what? 1 to the power of 4, that is 1. So here we can clearly predict that if I give any value for x, so my range starts from, see, it starts from 0. So range of the function clearly we can define for this function. So range of this function will be, 0, 0 to, so it will take any value infinite, so it will open interval. So its the range of the function is 0 comma infinity. So let me show it again here. So range of the function is 0 infinity. Codomain is what here? Codomain is set of real numbers. So clearly we can say range is not equal to codomain. See, codomain is set of real numbers, whereas range of the function starts from 0, so it takes all the values. So clearly range is not equal to codomain. So it is not on to, so here f is not on to, so f is not 1 1 and it is also not on to. So what is the option here? See here, see what is the option, what is the correct option? See, D is the correct option. F is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So F is neither 1 1. See, F is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So you write this problem separately and write the solution neatly. So it is not 1 1 and also it is not on 2. So it is neither 1 1 and also it is not on 2.